This video, I'm going to go over this multifunctional tablet holder for a Kindle, a cell phone, or something like that. Now, this can accommodate from a cell phone, from 4.7-inch cell phone to 7-inch cell phone, and a 7-inch tablet to a 13-inch tablet. And I will show both of those in there. I took it apart for the purpose of this video. And I'm just going to show you real quick how you set this thing up and what the functionality of it is. So this right here is a quick drying cloth. You'll remove this, put this on there if you want to be in a bathtub, a swimming pool, or something like that. Kind of cool. It gives you this little island vibe, some pineapples, surfboards, and all that. Looks kind of like a shower cap, but you know what? It's got a hole in the top. The reason it has a hole in the top is so you can accommodate your locking mechanism. This is how you would take this fabric off, whether you want to wash it or just swap out your fabrics. That's really neat that they did that, because this fabric right here can get pretty dirty pretty easy. But this one's what you would use in your office, a bed, or anything like that. This tray right here is very nice. It's a removable tray, food grade safe, and it can be used, you can put it in a dishwasher, you can clean it very easily, so all of your food will go down in there, or you can use it as an open top like that. The mechanisms right here, if you want to tighten that up, they do give you a wrench to loosen it and tighten it. Say I want to be a little looser, see how it spins, I want to be a little tighter, just like that. So if you need to tighten that up, and same way with this, if you need to tighten up your bending mechanism right there, you'll just go a little looser. There it is. Broke it loose a little bit. Now it's a little easier, but it's still kind of, I like it actually kind of stiff, by the way. So let's put the tray back on and let's show you this thing in action. To slide this on, you're going to put this on just by screwing the ball unit on. And then to put this on, you're just going to pop it into place just like that. Very easy to work and easy to use. Now you are ready to go. So let's say we can put that in there. We can put that in there. You get a little user manual and all that, but I don't need to go over that. So if you got a power bank, run a power bank in there. You've got a drink, holds a drink nicely. Cell phone can go right there. So here's the tablet. So this would be like a Kindle, but you see how now this tablet's on here right now. Check out how I can turn it into landscape mode, just like that, or vertical mode, just like this. I can adjust it and move it all around. If I want to go kind of at a slight angle, I can do it like that. Now here's my drink. I got my coffee right there. I got my cell phone right here. I've got a power bank for charging, things like that. If you want to throw, let's throw some chapstick in there. I love this little tray. That little tray works perfectly. And I don't see any issues with this thing at all. There's the tablet. Let's go ahead, let's put a cell phone in it. So this is the iPhone Pro. Now, obviously, it's going to have to be ran vertical like that, but check it out. That works perfect for a cell phone right there. Can move it around, turn it vertical, turn it landscape. That works out great on that too. I don't see any issues with this at all. I've had several products from this Viozon company. I recommend this thing. I think this is going to be a great kind of like all around multifunctional tablet holder that I'm going to be using, that's for sure. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Viozon multifunction tablet holder. See you on the next video.